Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Robinhood account is required to start trading and involves confirming your identity and banking information. Step 1. Download the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play and create an account with your email and basic information. Step 2. Provide your personal details, including full legal name, date of birth, and social security number as required by financial regulations. Step 3. Enter your residential address accurately, as Robinhood will use this information for verification and tax purposes. Step 4. Upload a photo of your government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, using your phone's camera. Step 5. Take a selfie for facial verification, which Robinhood uses to confirm your identity matches your submitted ID. Step 6. Link your bank account by entering your account and routing numbers, or by logging into your bank through Robinhood's secure connection. Step 7. Wait for Robinhood to verify your information, which typically takes a few minutes but can take up to several days in some cases. Step 8. Once verified, you'll receive a confirmation and can begin funding your account and trading stocks immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.